Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's episode is pretty awesome. I love it. I'm really excited to share this topic with you because it can help you become a more articulate, laser focused, just wow, filmmaker. It really, really can. But the tip isn't what I'm going to impart upon you, but what I want you to watch. It is a movie with Kiefer Sutherland, as in The Lost Boys, as in his dad, Donald Sutherland. And the movie is called The Phone Booth. It is ridiculously epic, like nail biting, just intense, like on the edge of your seat, gripping, awesome movie. And I think it's like an hour long. I remember the first time I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I need a nap. Like, I mean, seriously, it was insane. I totally encourage you to watch it. The reason why is it because they broke so many molds in the industry to crush such a suspenseful story that had you just gripped right into the screen for less than an hour and a half. I mean, I think it was like an hour, maybe hour 10, but it was so short. And when it's over, you're going to be whipped. And I want you to watch that movie and then rip it apart. I want you to totally rip apart the storyline, rip apart how they achieved all the different effects, how they were able to just capture the suspense, just the angst, just all of it in such a short amount of time, and see how you can employ some of these tools and techniques into what you can do into a short film. Because just like being a musician, pianissimo, not to be confused with ASMR, but pianissimo, not ASMR. If you can be a great musician and play eloquently and incredibly, but play quietly, you can play amazing when you're loud and you can be controlled. If you can convey your story in a shorter amount of time, you can do amazing things with an epic blockbuster. So, totally give that a shot. Check out that movie. It's called The Phone Booth. Kiefer Sutherland is actually in the movie. It took me forever to figure out who it was. It's amazing. What about you? What do you suggest out there in the studio or out in the field? Totally share downstairs in the Kilt Zone. Coming to you live in another episode. It's the Kilt Zone. I know, don't quit my day job. I know. I'll let the singing be for Christine, who's like on that side of the camera. Anyways, totally like, comment, share, bell, ding dong, subscribe. You know the rest. And until next time, stay caffeinated, and I'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, this was David Esquire for another episode of Raw 365 on EPTV.